Welcome to my YouTube channel, House Plan to the Drawing. Today I'm going to show you guys on how to add door tags to your window and your doors. As you can see mine. Let me show you guys something real quick. As you can see, you just want to add door tags. If I click this side here, it's going to add a door tag for me automatically. Okay, and also same goes for doors. Okay, if you just want to add the door, you're going to be having the tag together, even also with the measurement of the door. But any further, let's just get right into the business. I'm going to be using this floor plan to display what I'm trying to do. So let's say I'm going to pick this window, okay, and I'm going to place this window here. Okay, and now if you want to add the tag automatically, what you can do is this: click on the window, click on the settings dialog. And what I want you to do when the settings dialog opens is come to the dimension marker. Okay, under this no marker, click on it and select W marker 27. That's window marker 27. Click on it. Okay, now click on the dimension marker again. Okay, now I want you to come and select use some of all these settings. I'm gonna be doing your marker size. Allow it to be 3. Okay. You can leave this color as it is, or you can decide to select any kind of color you want. I'm just going to pick 3 for this. Okay, so change it to into this color. No, sorry, I'm going to use 2. So change it into a gray color. Okay, now the next thing you guys want to do is come to marker text style. Click on it, and once that is open, I want you to come here and change this font size to be 1.35 meter. Okay, once that is done, I want you to come to marker symbol and text. Click on it. Once you click on it, I want you to come here and untick this extension line. Untick it. Okay, now I want you to come here and change this 20 meter, this marker position, change it to be 2 meter. Okay, all right, and leave all this one as it is. Okay, now the next thing I want you to do is come and select this marker geometry and come to content ID seal. Click on it, and I want you to come and untick this show seal. Okay, untick it. Click this outline. Okay, and click on custom. Click on custom text. Now come here, and this is where you can decide to give whatever window tag you want to use. So I want to write W1. Okay, well, the next thing I want you to do is click here and select this content dimension. Click on it, and I want you to untick this show dimensions. Okay, because I don't want you to show dimensions for the windows. Okay, once you've done all this, click on OK, and you're going to be seeing something like this. Okay, so as you can see, this window has a tag attached to it. If you hold on or select this, you can come here and put any window with the tag automatically attached to it. Okay, you can click this. Maybe let's say for instance this window, as you can see, this window is 900, the width is 900. You click this window is 600 for instance. Okay, let me say like a toilet window or something. If you want to change the tag, click on the window, click on the settings dialog here, and you click here and come to content ID seal. Come here and change this to be window 2. Okay, and click on OK. Now this is just going to change automatically, just like that. Okay, now for the doors, what you can do about the doors, I'm just going to hold down Alt and select this. Okay, and I'm just going to use that here. Okay, so if you want to add the tag for the door, what you just do is click on the door. Okay, click on the door, click on the settings dialog here. Now I want you to come to dimension marker. Okay, change this to be 3 and change this to be 2, just the way I did earlier on. Okay, now come and select this marker text style. Okay, and change this to be 1.35. Okay, once that is done, I want you to come and select marker symbol and text. Okay, I want you to select this and select this marker geometry. Now I want you to click this marker head, tick it. Okay, once you've ticked it, come here and change this one to be 4. Okay, and I want you to change the dim position to be 1. Okay, now once that is done, you can decide to use any kind of shape you want to use for the marker symbol. Okay, you can decide to use any shape you want. I'm just going to go with a circle. Okay, once you've done all this, click the marker geometry and come to content ID seal, and I want you to click on show ID. Okay, once you've done that, click this hot link and click on custom text, and here I want you to give D1. Okay, D1. Once you've done that, and I want you to come to click on this content ID seal and come to content dimensions. Once you've done that, dimension is being shown, so that is okay. Okay, once you've done that, click on OK. You're gonna be having your tag attached to the door. So if you wanna, you can even hold down Alt, select this, and press Ctrl Alt and select this. It's gonna affect any of your designs. Okay, any of your designs. So this is one of the ways for you guys to add tags to your doors and your windows in Archicad. Okay, if you guys look at this, you're gonna be noticing that there's a series of windows. As you can see, this is window 4, and this is window 2, and this is door 2. That's for the 900s. So this is one of the ways for you guys to work faster in Archicad. Thanks for watching. This video has been of help to you. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial video. Thank you.